Hey guys, CWBB1 here with Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class Ratchet. So here you can see he's in his H2 Hummer mode with a new paint job, E4, and it says Fire Rescue, if you can see that, barely. He has an automatic insignia here, and closer it says Search and Rescue, Fire Department. And you move it around, it says E4 still, and he rolls. Here's his mech tech weapon. We'll just set off to the side. I guess that's a mech tech port. His spare tire. Here's a size comparison with the other Deluxe Ratchet. Okay, we'll take him out of the picture now. And we will start the transformation. So what you want to do first is come over here and take these, or take this, and bring out the arms like so. So you want to just pull it and then bring it out like so. And then take this and fold it back. Do it on both sides. Take this tab and fold it back. Take this whole section here, just lift it, and then just keep it like that, and that'll loosen up his legs. And then you want to unfold his legs like so. So just bring him down. Go ahead and rotate his foot 180, both feet. 180 like so, and then just take this piece and just fold it underneath so it's like that. And then right here you want to take this whole section and make sure you got space. You want to rotate the whole section 180, and it just rotates, and his head will appear. And then you want to bring down his waist and go ahead and bring this piece down like so, and by doing so everything should tab in, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you want to bring this actually all the way down, and then wait, you want to bring this down and then fold this down, I think. Hold on, sorry about this confusion. Oh, I guess it's just like that. You just fold it down. It tabs in. Then you want to just straighten out the arms and fold the wheel over like that. Do it on this side. Straighten out the arms, bring it around, fold this piece in. Go ahead and straighten him up, and pretty much done with ratcheting. Now he's in robot mode. It's pretty cool, very green. Articulation, his head can go 360. His arms go in and out, 360, bend at the elbow. It sort of swivels at the top of the arm. Well, actually, it has a joint at the top of the arm that goes forward. It's a weird joint. All right, his hand can go in and out a little bit. It doesn't really rotate. Okay, so the waist, no waist articulation. His legs can go forward, back, out, and in. Bend at 2 points of the knee, and his feet can rotate 360 and pivot up and down. And that's pretty much his articulation. He's pretty cool, but very small. Here's comparison with Revenge of the Fallen Alita 1. Yeah, you can see how small Ratchet is. And The two wheel are these two black things right here on top of his arms. They're MechTech ports, so you could put something there like his MechTech gun, which we'll talk about right now. It's cool. You can transform into this, well, it's a gun, and then you pull this back and it's a saw. He's going to cut some Decepticons up. So just go ahead and place it in his hand, and he's ready to go cut some Decepticons or shoot them. And, you know, he could just use it. I'm gonna go kill some Decepticons. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, all that good stuff.